Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel Vikas ICSE Learning. In this class, we are going to discuss about the types of angles. The angles are again classified into different types. They are complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, and linear pair. The first one is complementary angles. If you consider any two angles, their sum is exactly equal to 90 degree. Sum of any two angles is 90 degree. Then the angles are called complementary angles. Example, $30 and 60 degree. Sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, these two angles are called complementary angles. 30 degree is complementary of 60 degree and 60 degree is the complementary of 30 degree. They are mutually complementary with each other. Then second one, supplementary angles. Sum of the angles is 180 degree. Sum of any two angles is 180 degree. Then the angles are complementary angles. Example, their sum must be what? 180 degree. This is 70 degree, one of the angle. Then one of the angle is 110 degree. If their sum is 180 degree, then they are supplementary angles. 70 degree is supplementary of 110 degree and 110 degree is the supplementary of 70 degree. So this is how they are mutually supplementary of each other. The third type of angle, that is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. If any two angles, they have same vertex or common vertex and common arc are called adjacent angles. A pair of angles, they have common vertex and common arc is called adjacent or called adjacent angles. Pair of angles have common vertex and common arc are called adjacent angles. Example, this is one of the angle is 30 degree, then one more it is 100 degree. Then these two angles are adjacent angles because they are these two angles have common vertex and common arc. Therefore, 100 degree and 30 degree are adjacent angles. Next, linear pair. Sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. then the angles are linear pair. Sum of any two angles, any two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the angles are linear pair. The angles must be adjacent, then only we can say they are linear pair. Example, one of the angle is 70 degree, then another angle is 110 degree. Then these two are adjacent angles and their sum is exactly 180 degree. Therefore, this is the example for linear pair. If we have like this 70 degree and 110 degree are separate, then we cannot consider them as linear pair since they don't have common vertex and common arc. So all the linear pair are supplementary angles, but all the supplementary angles are not linear pair.